Hey guys, have you ever looked at your wallet and wondered, where did all my money go? Yeah, me too. Today, I'm going to share some simple tips to stop overspending so you can finally save money without feeling stressed. First, let's understand why we spend too much. Sometimes we spend when we're sad or bored, emotional spending. Like, you had a rough day and bam, online shopping. Or you see your friends buying the newest phone or clothes and you think, I need it too. That's peer pressure. And then there's impulse buying. Seeing a sale and just buying it without thinking. So step one is knowing why you spend. If you know the reason, it's easier to control it. Next, track your money. Seriously, write down everything you spend for a month. Even small things, coffee, snacks, apps, you'll be surprised how much it adds up. Think of it like a detective game. Where did all my money go? Now, let's talk about budgeting. Don't worry, it's not boring. A budget is just a plan for your money. List your income and expenses, split them into needs, wants, and savings, and stick to it. Here's a simple method. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Easy, right? Step 4. Avoid temptations. Ads, online sales, flashy stores. They want your money. Unsubscribe from sale emails. Don't shop when bored or stressed, and if you can, use cash instead of cards. Feeling the money leave your hand helps you think twice. Another tip. Set financial goals. Short-term goals like saving for a new phone or long-term goals like buying a car or starting a business. When you have a goal, you think twice before spending on random stuff. Your money has a mission. Finally, discipline is key. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential things. Reward yourself sometimes, but within your budget. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So remember guys, know why you overspend, track your money, make a budget, avoid temptations, set goals, and practice discipline. Follow these steps, and you'll see your savings grow.